Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hene kasngi ka arpasautere guluber ka jila Meghalaya kala rakhi ya ka World Tuberculosis Day. Hakabau ba ALHEC Menteri Ketnat ka koit ka kya joka sarkar jila ulalong kongsan baru ba PWINT Additional Chief Secretary ka sarkar jila kumusembur kongsan. Ya kini ka program la pelong Haka Reed Provincial Chest Hospital Hall Shillong. Haka jingadon ringkat lang jong ki officer badai pej yakatnat ka kwat ka kya bat kiwi ki officer sarkar. Haka ni kasngi lai shimmentaru haki jingruai. Da baro ki khana pulie nurse jong ka HG Robert Hospital Shillong bat ki staff nurse jong ka Provincial Chest Hospital Shillong. La pelai pej baru ka mobile medical unit and Android tablets for online recording and reporting bat ka documentary halor ka Jingpang TV documentary katnat ka koi ka kya jang jala.
I'm thankful to all of you, each one of you, for contributing either directly or indirectly to end the TB. Recently, only last week, I have attended the meeting, the End TB Summit in Delhi, where addressed by our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. He is alone, he will not be able to end the TB from our country, as I have taken the big task and challenge to end the TB by 2025. This is not a single-handed, not a single man who can end the TB. It is a collective responsibility. If you and I, as a team has said here, wanted the leaders to be TB-free world, if you are not the leader, how you are expecting that you can be free TB from our society, from our states? It is a collective responsibility to each one of us. Every one of us. We have to take the collective responsibility. We have seen, just short while ago, we have seen the documentary presented by the Rasmur, no? We have presented the documentary. It has seemed to be very difficult to remove the TB from our society. How? The lifestyle, the individual lifestyle, the society lifestyle, the lifestyle of our every surrounding. If we can get rid of this lifestyle, we are add on more to the TB diseases by eliminating the TB problems. So it is our collective responsibility. So I only wish to all of you, all of us, to be a leader to eliminate TB from this world.
A people of integrity, being who we say we are, and doing what we say. May we be a people of humility, bring us out to God and man, in Jesus' name. Bring your healing to the nations, through our lives and through our hands. Bring your healing to the nations, dear Lord. Change our lives and change our land. Newton's back, your faith is right. There seems no turning back from here. That's when you can start to stand, when you offer and lend your hand, when you can turn the wrong to right. As a leader, build a bridge of light. All health worker as a team, let's stand. Fight TB like a mighty band, lending our hands to those who are in need, ensuring a TB-free world is the need. That's when you can start to stand, when you offer and lend your hand, when you can turn the wrong to right. As a leader,